Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Flixy TV Smart Stick is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the official Flixy website, the Flixy TV Smart Stick is a portable streaming device designed to turn almost any television with an HDMI port into a smart TV. The company says that it gives users access over 1,000 free channels, streaming apps, built-in games, and web browsing through a simple plug-and-play setup. According to the website, the device features has dual band Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, 4K streaming support, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of external storage. And it has a built-in app store. The company also says that the Flexi TV Smart Stick includes an AI-powered content recommendations. So it also has automatic software updates and works with both older and newer TVs that basically have an HDMI port. But before purchasing, you can take a few minutes to review the product information, make sure the device offers the features that you're looking for. It's always a good idea to check which streaming apps and services are available in your region, as some services may require their own separated subscription. And of course, to use the Flexi Smart Stick, according to the website, you'll have to plug it into an available HDMI port on your TV and connect the excluded or included USB power cable. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input and follow the on-screen instructions. Then connect your device to the Wi-Fi network. And according to the website, once the setup is completed, you can browse through available channels, download supported apps, and use screen mirroring or access the built-in browser and games. So of course, they do have multiple packages. So they have one Flexi, two Flexis, three or four, depending if you want to get, an example, for more than one TV. And if you decide to purchase, an example, the device, you'll have to visit the official website and click on buy now, depending on the package that you chose. And of course, once you choose your preferred package, just click on buy now and you will have to choose your preferred, then or you will be continued to the secure checkout page. Before completing your purchase, enter of course your billing or payment information, shipping information, and make sure to review though the pricing, shipping information, return policy, and warranty, so you know exactly what's included. And according to the website, the products comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So also, if you have any questions before purchasing, as an example, you will find the frequently asked question option or section at the bottom of the page. You'll find many questions with the answer of any question. So make sure to review that. Or you can basically contact the support team or team through the official websites. If you go to support, you'll be able to find how to contact them. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.